Welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new, kindly consider subscribing to my channel if you think my videos are useful. So, what is the LAN? LAN stands for Local Area Network, and it is a computer network that interconnects computers and other devices within a limited area, such as a residence, school, laboratory, university campus, or office building. Ethernet and Wi-Fi technologies are used to establish LAN. What are the basic components of LAN? Number one, you need a router. This is a device which connects your network to external world. Some routers have modem integrated with it, or some use separate modem from your internet service provider. Some have Wi-Fi capabilities and some don't have. So there is a wide range of routers based on your requirement and usage. Number two, you need a switch. This is not a must. It will depend on the number of connection you have. For basic home network, you may find that you don't need a switch. But for medium-sized office and large office, you may find that you need one or more switch based on your needs. Number three, you need Ethernet cable for connecting your devices to switch and then from switch to router. If your router has Wi-Fi capabilities, then some of the devices will use Wi-Fi connection. But Ethernet cable connection is normally preferred in offices for high-speed connection. Number four, you need your devices ready in place or in the plan. These devices can be desktop computers, laptop, mobile phones, printers, scanners, and so on. The number and type of devices will determine the number and type of switch which is needed, the number of connection points, and the type of router to be bought. In addition, you will need a patch panel. This is a device that will help you to organize your cable and make your network neat. You will also need a cabinet. This is where your router, switch, and patch panel will be placed. The cabinet can be mounted on a wall, and some big one normally stand on the floor. So how do you set up a LAN? Let us start with this simple home or small office LAN. First, determine the number of devices you need and where will be located. Pull the cable from where the user devices will be located to a room where your switch and router will be located. The cables normally run through a conduit pipe. Then terminate the point on user side and switch side. On the switch side, the cables can be terminated through patch panel first and then connected to switch using patch cord, or you can terminate directly to the switch if there are few cables. After that, the switch is connected to the router, and if the router has Wi-Fi capability, then some devices will use Wi-Fi connection. Then the router will be connected to the ISP for internet provision. Here let us see another LAN with a server connected to it. You will follow the procedures as discussed previous, but here you will have a server in your network, so all devices will act as a client and will request services from your server, such as printing service, whereby the server will provide the service by printing the file in the printer connected to it. The server is connected to the router and the router will be connected to ISP as discussed previous. So that's it from me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for supporting my work.